So till now, we have done 20 questions by using two tables, right? First 10 questions on only one table, 11 to 20 on two tables, right? Now we will take one more table and three tables. We'll see how to perform the subqueries. Okay, right. So all of you create the table first. Create the table with name EMP or employee. Create employee data. So let's take here E number or employee number, which is integer type. Employee name, varchar of some 20. Next, company, which is varchar of some 20. Right. Next one, salary, integer, and the company location, which is varchar of some 20. And at the end, I am giving the course number, okay, which is integer. To give the common column between course data and employee data. In the course data, we have the course number. In employee data, I am taking the CNO. Okay, CNO. Insert into employee data, values of the first employee ID is suppose 10,001. The name is Sai. Okay, next one, company is, let me take TCS, and salary, for example, 20,000. Company location is Hyderabad, and the CNO I am taking here. So you can take the same names or different names. Sai is there. different names, guys. Let us try the different names. It takes him first. So we'll do one thing, guys. Here from this table, all of observe here. From this table, if you don't take the employee name, just remove the employee name. Just observe now. If you remove the employee name, suppose here Sai is not there. Imagine, right? Now 10,001 TCS and 20,000 Hyderabad. Okay, 1,001. Now who is working TCS? Suppose imagine now here Sai is not there, right? Please move inside. Okay, imagine here Sai is not there. Okay, so who is working TCS? So based on the ID, you can go to the table, the parent table, right, guys? Like this. Alafu. Okay, so here what to do now? Another point, right? What I'm saying now? So what I'm saying here, if you don't take the, because the students only, these people only learning the course and getting the job, right? That's why we don't take the employee name here. Just imagine now, we don't take the employee name. So imagine here, employee name is not there. Okay. Now who got the job in TCS? In that case, so TCS, we filter. What is there now? 1,001. So who is 1,001? 101. Who is 101? Then Sai. Answer getting here. Okay. Suppose here Sai is there. Here Sai is there. If I say that who is working TCS? Sai. Here only answer is there. In single query, the answer over. Got it right? That's why. So what do I do? I just remove the which column? EMP name column, right? So tell me now how to remove the EMP name column. You can alter, right? Or simply I take the that also given, right? So drop table. What table name? Employee data, right? Now I create the table without what? Like this. Employee number, company name, salary, location, and CNO. Okay, right. Now in this one, I am giving the data. Okay, right. Now next, employee ID 1,000, 10,002. The company name is Pro. Salary some 30,000. Same location. The ID is 1,002. Next, employee ID is company right? My employee ID is Infosys. Some 15,000. Or Right. Like over. Right. So what's first table now? Students data. Second table, course data, and the last one is okay, employee data, guys, right? Employee data. Employee data. Yes. Now all of you observe here. All of you observe. So in this case, the same student first learning the course, and then getting job in the some company, right? Some company, guys, here. So in this case, so Sai, take the Sai case. Sai, what's the number here? 101. Learning which course here? Python course, and got the job. Which location? In a TCS, Hyderabad, he got the job. Next one, Nani. Nani, which course he learned? Nani, what's the ID here? 102. And here, 102 is the right. Which course he learned? He learned the Django. At the same time, he learned PHP also. And he learned which one? Tableau. He learned 3 courses and got the job. Which company here? In the Wipro company. Next one, take the Akila, right? Which course she learned? She learned Flask, only Flask, right? And she got the job. Which location? In Infosys, Bangalore, right? Infosys, Bangalore. Same like this, remaining also. Suppose Harika is there. What's the course of Harika? 104, right? 104. What's the course? Java. Only one course, right? And she got job where? In CTS in Bangalore with 40,000 rupees. Next one. So Rajesh, right? Rajesh. Which course he learned? Which course, Rajesh? Okay, C++. And I got the job? No, he didn't get the job. Only just learn the course. Still, he didn't get the job, right? Next one, Rohan, right? Rohan, what's the number? What's course he learning? No course, just BTech over. No course, no job. For whom? For the Rohan. Next, Hasni. Any course? Yes, course is there. DevOps she learned. DevOps course over, but she didn't get the job. Right? Next one. Job is there? Sorry. Which one? She got the job. Where? In the IBM, right? IBM in Chennai. Correct. Next one. What's the name? Next one? Vijay, na? Vijay. So what's the course of Vijay? Right, AWS learning. Okay, AWS, and he got the job in NTH. What salary? Good salary, right? Next one, Pallavi. What's the course of Pallavi here? No course, right? So Rohan, no course. Pallavi also no course, no job for both. Next, Komali. Which course? No course. Akash also no course. These 4 people. Who are those? Rohan. Next, Pallavi, Komali, and Akash. These 4 done the BTech with good percentage. Akash less percentage, right? But over BTech, but they didn't join any course and they didn't get the job like this. Okay. Now we write the queries on three tables. Right? In the question, they will not specify on three tables and something like that. They give the question. As per question, we have to imagine, do you require only one table, or two tables, or three tables like this? As we know, display and the filter parts, right? The question like this, just all of you observe here. The question like this, write a query to display to get all employee names, all students, right? Students names, who got job in TCS. Okay, who got job in TCS. That's all. This is a question, guys. That's a question. Now, in this case, all of you observe here. Stop writing. All of stop writing here. So in this case, we have to find out two things. Which one? Display part, filter part. Okay. Here, what I want display? I want display. I want get means display, right? Which one? All students' names I want display. This is which one? This is called now display part, right? Display part, guys. This is the display part. Display part, right? Next one. What is the filter? Based on what? I want to display all the students' names who got job in where? In TCS, right? Who got job in TCS? This is the filter part. That is the which one? Okay, filter part, right? Okay, filter part, guys. Display part and the filter part. That's all. Now we have to think. Display part belongs to which table? Filter part belongs to which table? I want to display all students' names. I want to display all student names, right? It belongs to which table now? Which table? Students, right? Students data. All of you have here. Students data table. Okay. Next one. Job in TCS. Job in TCS. Okay. TCS. Which table TCS available? Which table, all of you? In employee table, we have the value TCS, right? Okay, job TCS. Now let's take which one? Employee data, right? Employee data. So now we know two tables. We know what is the display table and we know what is the filter table, right? Now next we have to think that these two are having the any common column or not. These two tables are having the direct any common column or not, right? Observe here, any common column is there between these two tables directly. Just forget about this table. Now, by seeing the students' data, employee data, any common column is there? There is no common column. There is no common column, right? So the common column is like this. First, okay, employee data to which one? Students' data. From there, course data. From there to where? From there to students' data like this. Means if you want to reach from employee to student, you have to go through which one? First, employee to course, then course to student you have to go. Means so first employee to course, then from course to I'm going to the student table. Directly not possible because no common column between employee and the students data. All of you. So which table should use here compulsorily? Compulsory we should use the course data. Even though the course data is not using for filter purpose, not using for display purpose. Yes or no? I am using the students data for display purpose and employee data for filter purpose. This table not using for filter display, but this is used because of it is having the common column to make the path. To make the path from starting to ending place. Yes or no? All of right? Yes. Now what to do here? First of all, write the query for this table. Which table? Employee data. From there, next query for the which one? Course data, and then last one which one? Students data. Now three queries are there. How many queries? Three queries. All of clear? Right. Now observe here, all of you. So in these two, what is common column now? In these two, what is the common column now? So here CNO and here course number over. Next, SNO and the student number like this. All of right. Now, anyone can say this query? In this case, how many queries required? So between these two tables, no direct common column, right? That's why. So employee data to which one? Course, right? Course data. From there, students data. All of observe. We go to the employee data to course data. Course data. From course data to students data, we have to travel. This is the starting place. This is the which one? Destination place. This is the via, right? You see in the bus, in the train, via is there. Yes or no? Via means what? Buses which is via, right? Going through. Source is different. Destination is different. To go to destination, we go through this place. It's called we say via in English will be IA. Same here also. Okay, this is the source. Source means the starting place. For starting place, and this is what I want to display. But to go to from here to here, no direct route. That's why we go to the this one to course data. From there to which one? Students data like this. So here in this case, now all of you observe here. In this case, we need how many queries now? 3 queries required. How many queries? 3 queries. So this is the first query. All of you observe. Stop writing. So here read the inner query, guys. Inner query based on that filter and display, right? Inner query. And here we read the one more inner query. Inner query. We keep the bracket for this one. This one keep the bracket up to here. We keep the bracket, right? All of observe now. Now next one. What take here now? We take the which one? Outer, right? We take the outer query and we take the bracket completely up to last one. And the bracket is closing here. That's all. Now all of you observe here. So first of all, it executes first. Okay, some output will come. The output go to this one input. Next, it executes. Some output will come, right? The code as input here. Finally, it executes and displays whatever it required. That's all. So inner query, again inner query, and the outer query. Okay, all of you. All right. So these two tables having the common column. At the same time, these two having the common column, right? Common column. Now, so what's the question now? Write a query to get all students' names who got job in TCS. Right, who can say the first inner query here? Anyone can say this first inner query? Select what display? Select. Tell me now. Which one? Select CNO because common column. Which one here? CNO. Tell me now. Select CNO from employee data where company name equal to what? Right, enough, right? So TCS, okay, TCS. If you execute it, what happens here? Wherever company name TCS is there, that CNO is the output. Okay, tell me now what's the output here in this case? 1001 is the result of this entire query. Which one? 1001. Now, so this all replaced by what here? Replaced by 1001. That's all. 1001 replaced by entire query. Okay, right. Now imagine now query is there. Now next query, guys. Next query, tell me now. So what is there now? CNO, right? CNO is there. Next query. Next one. So now you got the 1001, right? Now this query I want now. Tell me now. Select. Tell me now. Select what? SN1. SNO. From where? From right course data where where CNO, what is there? Matching here. Which one? Course number, right? Course number equal to R. We can take the in also, right? And bracket starting there, and here the bracket ending here. Over. Now, so what's output coming here? SNO. Which one? So 1001 coming, and comparing here, and what's coming now? 101. So SNO. Compare the student number and display what here? Student name. Tell me now outer query now. Which one? Select student name. From which table? From students data, where student number. Take the inner. Now take the bracket for this one. Okay, you take the bracket here, starting bracket here, and which one ending bracket? You take here the ending bracket. This is all taken again like this. Now all of you observe here. So if I execute it, if I execute the inner query, what output will come? Tell me now. What is the result of it? Sign up. Wherever TCS is there, that CNO I want display. Which one? Wherever TCS is there, that CNO I want display. Which one? 1001, right? 1001 means the result of this entire query is which one? 1001 is the result of entire query. 1001. That's all. Okay. Result of the query 1001. Now select SNO from course data where course number 1001. So wherever course 1001 is there. Course 1001 is there. I am selecting what here? SNO. What's coming now? Means here result of this all. Result of this all, right? Which one? 101. Okay. 101. 101 the bracket, right? Like this. 101. Next one. Select student name from students data where student number 101. So where is the 101? That name I want to display. What's the name? Sai. Right? So very simple, guys. You have to remember the link between these two tables, all of observe. CNO course number. These two we have to use. One is in filter, one is in selector. Filter, selector. Next again, these two again. One is in filter, other one in the selector, like this. Enough, right? So these two columns we have to use, and these two columns we have to use. Whatever display, whatever filter, but this is the common matching compulsorily. Suppose I ask you display the college names, branches of the people who got job in TCS. Same here filter is there and here display is there. How to go again? Same, we have to go like this only. I'm saying that display company names are of Nani. Now here filter is there. Okay, here display is there. Display is there. Again, how to come here? Same like this. You have to come the same process. Just what to filter changing, display changing, but the same path. Path is the same path. All of you. Okay, right. So at the first question, keep adding subgroups on 3 tables. Right. What's the question now? What's the question? Write a query to get all students' names who got job in TCS. In TCS. Tell me now, the first subquery, Allah, tell me now. Tell me now here, stop right and tell me. Select the C number. In third table, what's the match? Remember the column names, sir. What is there? Select CNO from which one? Employee data, where Huh? Company name equal to what? TCS. Now, so over. Now outside select SNO from it was course data where course number in now take the bracket of this all, right? Now outer query select what display student name from stable students data where where student number in now take the bracket here and close the bracket, take this one, that's all. Now I run this one, right? Now what's the answer here? Sai is the answer. Okay. So for this question, to just make the same this one as it is display part 3 tables like this.